What up, fam? It's your boy Dooley, aka Mr. Do Work. This is the first week of getting after it, from quarantine to pristine body, series 1. Filling up my water, as you see. About to take my pre-workout. I'm gonna actually put some arginine in my pre-workout as well, so I can get that good blood flow. And then, as you guys saw, I have a water tank in here. However, it only, does 5 gallons at a time. I drink 1.5 gallons a day of water. So I'm gonna get my gallon and get a warm-up walk to our clubhouse and fill it up there, so I don't have to take away all the water from our family. Feel me? Alright, guys.
Where's not?
I don't know which one you're talking about.
Not one. They're not far.
Well,
This is.
yo, it's so crazy how nosy people are. This girl just now, as I'm driving, maybe it's because I got a camera pointing in my face, but it's 2020. We have YouTubers out here, vloggers. Anyway, she was darn near into the other lane right over here, looking to see what I was doing. But anyways, right now I'm walking to our clubhouse. Part of the reason I'm doing this, I'm walking, is because I'm getting my steps in, getting my warm-up in. I took my pre-workout, so I'm letting it hit the system. I love having beta-alanine in my pre-workout. It's like my internal alarm saying go get to work. So guys, I'm doing this so you guys can follow along on this journey of going from quarantine body to pristine. However, you have to figure out for yourself what is your why and why you want to get yourself back in shape. Because me doing it is gonna help with the inspiration and motivation, because I'm definitely, it just got dark, hold on. I'm definitely ready to go. I found my why, and I know exactly why I want to do it. And at this point in time, I'm so motivated. I'm sick of, as you guys can see, I weighed in at 267.6, and actually I just didn't document it on film, so I'm just gonna go with that. But last week I was at 272, and that's when I really was just like, forget this. I mean, I dropped the first video to let you guys know what I was doing, but after I saw that number, nah bruh. So that's why I'm dedicated. My goal is to just get shreddy as possible. And is it really a weight thing? Obviously I gotta drop weight, but if I was 250 shredded and healthy, so be it. So, but for you guys, I want you to see what the hard work looks like, and being consistent and disciplined with the goals, what it will produce. So today, after I go fill this bad boy up, because I'm drinking 1.5 gallons a day, after I fill this up, I'm gonna get started with my workout. And today's a push-pull day, so I'm doing a lot of push-ups, a lot of pull-ups, or I don't know if I'm gonna walk to this pull-up park or use I'll show you what I may use. Regardless, it's gonna be a push-pull day. It's gonna be a butt kicker, and let's go. My area is so relaxing. Just listen to the sound of this. Yo, on my walk, I see shirt and pants just laying here. I don't know what happened here, but you know what? I don't want to be here and someone return with no clothes on. Let's be out. If you really want to reach those goals, you need to get over your excuses. Just train today. Just do it. Period, point blank. I had a super long week. No, stop it. But we just moved this week. No, stop it. We just had a baby no, stop it. Please don't come in. We just had a baby too. No, stop with the excuses. But I mean, I got so drunk and it was rough. Stop it. You did it to yourself and you're doing it to yourself right now because you have excuses. Stop with all the excuses. I don't feel bad for you with these excuses. Excuses, 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 and it's holding you back. And then a year from now, you're gonna come back to this video, look at this video to get more inspiration and get more motivation to do what you're not doing, that you can do right now. Throw the excuses away, get started, and let's do work. Holla at your boy.
Danny on the track, boys.
So after my workout, I do lunges. I'm up to 20 minutes of lunges straight. So I normally put these in and it's lunge. But these guys want to join me.
Yeah! Woo! Woo!
We're gonna see how long they lunge with me, but let's get after it.
Almost done!
There's the lunges, guys. As you can see, I'm dripping. My metabolism will be revving all day. Yo, shout out to my boy Corey G. That's my man. We've been Reebok partners and friends. He's like a mentor in my life. He gave me this. He added this to my repertoire and told me to do lunges. And wow, it's a game changer. You guys will see with the transformation. All right, I gotta go eat. So I'm gonna make sure I season the meat. I have unsalted butter. No, that's salted butter. That's what my wife's using. This is the unsalted one. Unsalted. Bang. Minced garlic. Some seasoning, extra season. Parsley flakes. Onion salt. Himalaya pink salt. This is my drink of choice. I drank sparkling ice lemon lime. This literally tastes like Sprite. Alright guys, thank you for joining me for episode 1. I'm gonna call it a day. I appreciate it. There's gonna be so many more coming. Hope this helps. If you ever have questions, comment down below. Send them my way. I'll do my best to respond to you ASAP. And do your boy a favor. Our goal is 10K. Subscribe, share, smash the like button. Appreciate your support. It's your boy Dooley. I'm out.